power-ups from Super Mario World Central. Be sure to check their website out. It's smwcentral.net. And I was already in the process of making this video a couple times. This is my third attempt at doing it, so, and I never pay attention to my recorder's max time, which is 15 minutes. It makes sense, because by then you're legally allowed to leave. I'm funny, right? Right! Darn, I should use it with the customer to show it off. But I'm gonna tell you now, we live in a society. I'm just gonna die if there's any way to do that. I sure hope there is, so I can go into the game and do that, so I finally die. The lava kills you. You need to know. Let's try. Let's try, Tanuki Mario. Yes. Yes, Mario is actually a furry. Okay guys, welcome to Gay Theory, and today we're going to be discussing whether Mario is a furry or not. I mean, think about it, he's always in the Tanuki suit. He's always wearing he's always have the ear to tail on whenever he gets some super leaf. And it's known that Tanuki's changed using leaf, so maybe just keeping in character with his cosplay. But that's a theory, a gay theory. Thanks for watching. I should make that my own mini-series. Gay theory. Like, maybe I could do a collab with a YouTuber named Radical Soda in the future. He did a game theory parody in one of his videos called Game Theories. That's the parody name, not the video name. And we could combine and create gay theories. That's the theory. But that's the theory. A gay theories. Make it happen, Radical Soda, please. Please. If you see this video, I'll leave a link to my Discord. I'll leave a link to my Discord account, and, I'll leave a link to my Discord account so you can invite me, and we can chat about it. But who am I kidding? Who am I kidding? He, if you can guess by his thumbnail, is probably not gonna agree with asserting how bad I am at YouTubing. The reason you see me looking down is because I'm finally checking the minimum time. I'm finally checking the maximum time. Darn, this is the wrong way. Nope. Darn. Wait, this gives me an idea. I'll go through that. Oh, that kills me. What a freaking not. Too fast. Oh wait, wrong game. Sorry. But anyway, this is probably the part in some videos. This is probably the part in some YouTubers' videos where they share a funny anecdote. So here I go. Last night, Dream Sparrow came to me in a dream and told me that I was fat. I tried to tell him no you, but somehow my voice autocorrected to no I, and then I lost my eyes. But I somehow grew them back using the power of the 7 Chaos Emeralds, and I was able to predict that Lightning McQueen dies in Infinity War. Sorry to spoil that for you, kiddos. And I was also able to predict that Tony the Tiger from Serial makes it into Smash 5. Yep, that actually happens, kids. I heard it I saw it in a dream, so it must be true. Even though I had a girlfriend in that dream. And you don't see me with one now, nor do I actually have one. Nobody loves me and I'm doomed to die alone. Nobody loves me and I'm doomed to die alone. Like this comment so I can feel better about myself. Like this video. Don't actually like it for that reason, it's irony. I'm not making fun of depressed people. Like, I actually kind of feel dead inside. TBH. Like, I'm okay typing that, but saying it it feels so wrong. Just like that one doodle I did. Just like this one doodle I did with Sonic with two separate eyes. It was so wrong and it shouldn't have existed. I don't know why I made it. I don't know why I exist anymore. I was curious and wanted to know if something existed on the internet. Because World War IV, so I just looked up Dominatrix Peach. It existed, ladies and gentlemen and other genders. It existed. I'm scarred. I see it in my dreams. I'm scared now. I'm scared to even go to sleep anymore. and that's why I stay up most of the time. And it's not because of all the late school assignments. Why do you ask? Wait, you didn't? Crap, now I said too much. Okay, it's an exit. Bye. Oh. No. No. It's 2 hits. Yeah. See? Push my arm forward like this. So you access the wall. Yeah, we can. That's 3 hits. Oh, he just dissipated it's shrunk into nothingness. It's like a transgender 5-year-old's balls. Oh god, it's jumped away. Bye. Bye, I don't want to be with you anymore. That's why your parents adopted you from the shelter. You were the only one left, so they had no choice. Did you know that I play basketball? Yeah, I'm actually part of Slam. Slam open the hospital doors. L. Leap to the receptionist's desk. A. Ask the receptionist about the news of my wife. M. Miscarriage. Yes. In case you were wondering, that was loss. Ding! I swear to God, if this doesn't lead to Red Switch Palace, I will be so mad. No, secret one. Just keep moon jumping upwards, because nobody cares anyway. Like, I'm just gonna call this month, since it's May, I'm gonna call it Hoenn month. Because of May. Die. Oops. I have almost I have 5.5 minutes left to record. I'm gonna show off another custom power up, the hammer suit. Dead. check something. Man, that was a lot. Sounds. Let's see how this works out. Okay, I'll just stack that with the rest of my life. Why is it so high? Oh yeah, 'cause I smoked a lot of weed as a kid, and now as a drug addict. The end. Hashtag please don't demonetize me, YouTube, because I need this video. Darn. I'm just gonna get a debate going, just to trigger some people, known as liberals. So, there are only two genders. Sex and gender are the same thing, and, you're not as right as you seem. So, leave how triggered you are in the comments, so I can know how smug to be. Is that smug enough? I'll be smug more. Ha! So I'm doing air testing at my school. It's been pretty easy so far. I guess you could say it was a breeze. Oh yeah, today was the last day of it. Thank the Lord Jesus. Yes, that's right, I'm Christian. Get triggered. Oh. Okay, then just drop me off the ledge before I can even finish. That's good. Oh. So, I'm just gonna leave you with, me killing the porcupuffer. Rip Mrs. Puff. Yep, that's what happened to Mr. Puff, kids. That's what happened. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I'm not gonna ask you to like and subscribe, because that would seem too desperate of me. I mean, I am desperate. I just don't want to seem that way. So, thanks for watching, kids, and be a boss. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.